Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Margao Municipality Chairperson Damodar Shirudkar has blamed the failure of administration after it was found that the LDC had deposited the fare stall collection in his account. Shocking, the entire amount of rupees 17.66 lakh was deposited in one bank account. He said there was a blame game between the Chief Officer Gauri Sankhwarkar and the LDC Yogesh Shetkar. If the money does not come back to the MMC Treasury in 2 days, he said he would initiate legal action as well as inform the local MLA and Chief Minister. The LDC was suspended on Tuesday. However, no reason has been given for his suspension.
This is the lack of administration. This is a clear-cut lack of administration. असे कसे जाऊ शकता? कसली काम करपाची पद्धत आसता न्ही. हांव इन्क्वायरी केला तरी आसा आजपर्यंत प्रकरण लिपून उरता आशिल्लें. म्हाका पयशे हांव एक 2 दीस पयलीं मागीर 2 दिसां भितर हांव लिगल एडवायस घेवन कितें करपाचें हांव डायरेक्शन दितलो. पयशे म्युनिसिपालिटी येवपा जाय. 17,40,000 रुपये 67,000 रुपये ना जाल्यार ते पयशे येवपा जाय. मागीर हूक ऑर क्रू हांव वयरी सगळें पयलीं हांव म्हज्या आमदारा कडेन डिस्कस करता, म्हज्या लिडरा कडेन डिस्कस करता. सीएमाक जाल्यार सीएमाक लेटर बरयता, एवडी मिनिस्टराक लेटर बरयता. अशें जावंकूच शकना. लिगल एडवायस घेता म्हज्या एडवोकेट. हांव सगळें लिगली कितें करपाचें करता.
पैसे ऑथॉरिटी दिलेली
सिओन म्हणजे ताका सिओन म्हणजे आपल्या ऑथॉरिटी दिली ना. ऑथॉरिटी दिला तो बसलो कसो थंय. पयशे ताणें कलेक्ट केले कशे. तो विचार तो सांगता आपल्या सिओन बसपा लायले. तांकां आनी ताका खबर, म्हाका कांय खबर ना. म्हाका सीओचे पर्सनल कांय ना.
तेजे अकाउंटान पयशे ना आतां.
ताच्या अकाउंटाक पयशे ताका सिओन काल हांवें आयकलां की सिओन काल सांगले हांवें पयशे भरूंक म्हणून ताणें खंय काल सांगले पासून भरूं ना पयशे. कोण घातिल्लो ताणें म्हाका फोन केलो, साहेब आमचे पयशे खंय भरपाचे. आमचे पयशे भर सगळे कॅश कावंटराचेर भर. ताणें ते 5 लाख वेळे सगळे कॅश कावंटराचेर भरले नाल्यार तेय 5 लाख वयता आशिल्ले. हांव ताका ते 5 लाख भरले ते म्हाका आतां 10,40,000 रुपये आनी 5 लाख रुपये हे म्हणजे 14,40,000 रुपये आमचे कितें पावले. बाकीचे पयशे म्हणजे 17,67,400 रुपया हे खंय तरी बुडले.
17 लाख कितें 50,000 म्हणून आमी आयकलां त्या प्रमाणे ताका तुका सिओन ताका ऑर्डर काडलेली सगळ्या भितर. ताका नांव आसा आतां हांवें चॅक केल्लें. पूण हितून त्या दिसा मिटींग जाल्ली बिफोर फेस्ट. त्या दिसा चेअरपर्सनाक आपोवन आसलो मिटींग. आमी जाणा दॅट टायम आज चेअरपर्सन वाय यू आर नॉट देअर फॉर द मिटींग म्हणून. चेअरपर्सन येवन सिओन ती मिटींग दवरलेली सगळ्यांक घेवन. आमगेलो PI ट्रॅफिकाचो सुद्दां लायन पळयला, MI आहले, सगळे आहले. चेअरपर्सन नासलो. कितें घेतना कॉन्फिडन्सान कॉन्सिलरांक घेवपा जाय. आतां पाड पडले म्हणून तिकडे कॉन्सिलराचेर घातले म्हणून जायना सगळ्या जाणांची. कळ्ळें तुका न्ही. म्हणून CP सुद्दां आतां सारको सरप्रायज. आमी सरप्रायज कित्याक तो योगेश शेटकार म्हणटा तो LDC ताका ऑर्डर काडलेली ताणें आनी कितें 17,50,000 ताणें आपल्या QR कोडाचेर ताणें आपल्या घातले. जेन्ना म्युनिसिपालिटीचो QR कोड आसा आतां ते इन्स्पेक्टरान विचारलें तुम त्या समजलें खंय तो QR कोड म्युनिसिपालिटी यूज करता म्हणून. तो पेमेंट डायरेक्ट ताच्या अकाउंटान गेलो.
Experts in OCI and Portuguese citizenship issue have said that the decision by the union government to accept a copy of the passport revocation order as an alternative to the surrender certificate is a big relief to the OCI applicant. Experts said that for people who were fearing that in case their passports are revoked, they would not get OCI status, that fear is now been addressed. Listen in.
The MHA circular accepting revocation of passport as a document to grant OCI status is in tune with a commitment given by the Ministry of Home Affairs to the High Court sometime back in a petition filed by a person of Goan origin. The MHA had told the High Court that they would accept revocation of Indian passport as a document for Goans who take Portuguese citizenship or citizenship of another country. Thereafter, it was said that the circular was under consideration. Now that the MHA has taken a view it only means that the commitment given to the High Court is being honored. Now, according to me, after having given a commitment to the High Court, it would have been an embarrassment if the MHA had gone back on it. So I would say that for people who are fearing that in case their passports are revoked, they would not get OCI status, that fear has now been addressed by the central government.
Good morning, Goa. म्हजें नांव Kennedy Afonso, President of Goans for Goa. म्हाका आयज चड खुशी भोगता सगळे गोंयकारांक कळूंक की जो OCIचो इश्यू आसलो तो आयज सारको सुटावो जालो म्हणून. आयज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेर्स आनी एक सर्क्युलर काडला आनी सांगला की हे फुडें जांची पासपोर्ट रिवोक जाल्ली तांच्यांनी रिवोक्ड सर्टिफिकेट ओ रिवोक्ड ऑर्डर लावन तांच्यांनी OCI एप्लाय करूंक जाता. ही एक खुशालकायेची खबर, कित्याक फाटल्या 2 वर्सां जायते गोंयकार जेन्ना तांची इंडियन पासपोर्ट सरेंडर करून गेल्ले तेन्ना तांची इंडियन पासपोर्ट रिवोक जाल्ली आनी तांकां OCI कार्डाक एप्लाय करूंक मेळोंक ना. जायते जाण गोंयकार आमचे त्रासान पडलेले आसले आनी जायते गोंयकार ह्या फुडें त्रासान पडटले आसले हो इश्यू सुटावो जायना जाल्यार. तर आमची पयले सुवातेर आर्ग देवाक आनी सगळे आमचे जजीस, एडवोकेट्स, पिटिशनर्स आनी दुसरे जेणे आमकां एक्टिविस्ट भाव आसले आमचे बराबर आमकां सांगात दिलो हो इश्यू फुडें व्हरोंक. तशीच हांव भोव करून शाबासकी आमचे रिवोक्ड पासपोर्ट होल्डर थोडे जाण आसले फुडें सरलेले भिरांतीन ते भिवून आसले बट तरी आसतना तेमी पावल फुडें मारलें कोर्टाचे आनी जायते तेमी पासियन्स काडले आनी जायते ते झुजले ग्रावंडाचेरूय झुजले, आझाद मैदानाचेर, लोहिया मैदानाचेर आनी शेकी आमकां कोर्टान वचोन ही जोईत फावो जालें.
The fish deaths in a rivulet adjoining Kurchare-Kakora waste treatment plant were caused since the sludge was stored in the open and was swept into the rivulet by the rain. The sludge should be covered properly and there should be drainage and collection place, Goa State Pollution Control Board told Herald TV.
A large number of fish deaths have been reported at a rivulet near the Kurchare-Kakora waste treatment plant. This has raised serious concern among the people living in the area. The Goa State Pollution Control Board officials visited the spot on Wednesday and have drafted a preliminary report based on which they will act.
See, my team is investigating. Hello. Yeah. We got the preliminary reports.
Yeah.
So Skype, I'll tell you what is happening. There is nothing. We'll get preliminary information I have.
Yeah, tell.
Yeah, the preliminary information is that sludge which was stored within that area, they had not covered it properly.
Yeah.
And it has flown into that stream.
Yeah.
And where such organic load goes, dissolved oxygen gets reduced.
Yeah.
Oxygen gets reduced in that. So fish dies.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now it's basically purely question of housekeeping, how you store.
Yeah.
And it should not be exposed to the rain. It should have been covered.
Yeah.
Probably that was their failure. But that is my preliminary investigation of yesterday. Today I'll get a full report.
So what is the measures you have suggested to correct that?
Yeah, that I'll get you. Correct measure is that first of all, it should not be stored in the open. It should be covered space.
Okay.
Yeah, that is one. And any water flowing out, there should be a drainage, and where is one place, there should be a collection place.
Okay.
Where this matter settles and the overflow goes out.
Yeah.
First of all, it should not be exposed to the rain. It should be stored inside or covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is first immediate. So I'll get my details now.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Although a humongous amount of public money has been spent on widening of highways and building bridges, there are major traffic congestion points all over Goa. In this campaign, Goa Traffic Choke, Herald TV visited Chimbel Junction to see the traffic situation.
Traffic jam occurs on a regular basis at Chimbel Junction. The peak traffic is seen in the morning and evening hours. Hundreds of cars and heavy vehicles are piled up on both lanes of the road. The work on the Chimbale flyover has intensified the traffic congestion. Have a look.
2004 ही बायपास तयार केली आणि तदनंतर 2014 परत ही बायपास एक्सटेंशन म्हणून केली, कळ्ळें न्ही. आणि तेन्ना 300 कोटी मोडले. कितले? 300 कोटी. आतां म्हाका बाब इतलें सांग, जेन्ना येदी व्हडली हायवे म्हणजे ती ओल्ड गोवाच्यान तुगेलें पणजे पर्यंत म्हणजे मेर्शे जंक्शना कडेन आनी सो ऑन टू बस स्टँड. म्हाका इतलेंच सांगा की हो चिंबला जंक्शन जो आसा पळय, चिंबेल, रिबांदर आनी पणजे वता तो जंक्शन, हो आतां ब्रिज तयार जाता. हो ब्रिज तेन्ना बांदपाक कोण मरतालो, कोणाचो जीव वतालो, तेन्नाच कंप्लीट करा न्ही रे. कितें हें फक्त प्रकार एस्केलेशन होच प्रकार काय? हें आज लोकांक चिंतून येवपाक लागला. आनी एक खाकी पुलीस PC ते, कळ्ळें न्ही. तांचो मोस्ट ऑफ द टायम जो आसा पळय असो मोबायलाचेर पळयत ते बिजी आसता. आतां एकटोच जाणटो मनीस लिटरली तांचेर तापलो की फक्त वयल्यान येता आनी सकयल्यान ज्यो गाडयो वता तांकांच तुमी एलाव करता आनी सायडीच्यान जे क्रॉसींग करता पळय तांच्या खातीर कितें? जे चलत वतले क्रॉसींग करतले तांच्या खातीर कितें? कारण पुलीसमॅन जेन्ना आपली जबाबदारी किंवा जॉब सारको करिना पळय ताज्या मुळे मोठ्या प्रमाणान ब्लॉकेज जाता. आनी तूं मुद्दम पळयशीत एक सुमार 6च्या टायमार येत न्हय आनी सकाळच्या 9 जाल्यार इतली गर्दी आसता आनी इतलो ट्रॅफीक जॅम आसता तो अक्षरशः सांबाळपाक मुश्कील. पण आमचे गोंयकार मातशे शांत तकलेचे, जेणे करून ते एकामेकाक सांबाळून घेवन हें सगळें आतां वयता. तिसरी गजाल, ब्रिज जो आसा पळय तो 3 वर्सान कंप्लीट जावपाचो आशिल्लो. आतां 2024, कळ्ळें न्हू, अजून पर्यंत कंप्लीट जावंक ना. जेन्ना हो ब्रिज कंप्लीट जातलो तेन्ना मोठ्या प्रमाणात जे ट्रॅफीक जे हांगासर जॅम जाता पळय तें सुरळीत जातलें.
सगल्यांकूच त्रास जाता हिंगा. आनी आमचो गोंयचो चीफ मिनिस्टर डेली इन्या वयता म्हणून कित्याक तेका तर एक स्कॉट आहा आनी तो स्कॉट घेवन तेका तेगले कांय हें पडना, फरक पडना, कित्याक रोखडी तेका वाट मेळटा. पूण आमकां एक कॉमन मनशांक हो पळय हिंगा त्रास जाता तो एक आमचें फ्यूलूय हें वयता, फ्युलाचेरूय वयता आनी दुसरी म्हणटा पळय ती एक टायम वेस्ट इतलो भरपूर जाता. कित्याक ही जावन आहा एक आर्टरी. हो आतां मेन रोड द पणजेन वयता पळय तो सकयलो रोड आसलो, ओल्ड रोड आसलो पळय तो स्मार्ट सिटीक लागून तेणी सारको पाड करून सोडलेल्या कडेन हा रस्तो. आतां हिंगा त्रास जाता म्हणटा पळय ते ही एक 1 वे जाल्ल्या कडेन हा. दोनी येता 1 वे म्हणटा आनी दोनी 2 वे जाल्ल्या कडेन हा. दोनी येता नॅरो जाता सकयल. योग म्हणटात पळय तो योग एक्सिडेंट प्रोन झोन. हिंगा जायत्या जाणांचो जीव गेला आनी अजुनूय डेली योग व्हडले नाल्यार धाकटे हें जातात, एक्सिडेंट जातात. सो हांव कितें म्हजें म्हणणें कितें, हो रस्तो पळय खोदतात आतां थोडे तेंपान आतां मातशें मिक्स जातलें, थोडे तेंपान आतां हें येतलें एक्सपोजिशन जावपाचें. ओल्ड गोवा सेंट फ्रांसिसाचें एक्सपोजिशन जावपाचें. त्या एक्सपोजिशनान वर्ल्ड ट्युरिस्ट आनी वर्ल्ड लोक भायलो येवपाचो आहा तेन्ना हें तेज्या पयलें जातलें वो तेज्या उपरांत जातलें पळय तें म्हण. हांव म्हणटा गोवोरमेंटा कडेन जे पळय कोण एका अधिकारी आहा ते बेगिनल्या बेगीन मातसो हेचेर लक्ष दिवन हो बेगीन हें तयार करून दवरचो.
Upendra Naik for Herald TV.
The High Court had given May 31st as deadline for completion of Smart City works. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to people to gather their opinion on whether a contempt petition should be filed against Smart City officials, since 25% of the work is incomplete and they have asked for another postponement of deadline.
The question of a smart city complete korpaale deadline them Delhi. The deadline they complete jalna almost 25% work is pending they say. So now the question comes whether there should be a contempt petition on them. I am not looking at contempt petition. I am looking beyond that because a smart city dilo hai chatin. First of all, we'll have to know how smart they are. And this smart city am phona galte emi. So it is not a question of only contempt petition. Direct punishment system korpa jaye. You have to fine on them. जे काम दिलां, जे कामाचे पैसे लुटताय, तेजे एस्टिमेट काढून डबल द अमाउंट हेंक फायन मारपा जाय. नंबर 1 हेंक सगळें सॅक करपा जाय. हे आपापल्या घरांतूच जाल्यार काम टायम टू टायम कोनाय. आनी आफ्टर द गव्हर्मेंट स्पेंडिंग crores of rupees, तितून लूट मार जुमला कोताय. And at the same time, you are not even giving some satisfaction to the people of the smart city. The whole of Goa is becoming into a mess. And a smart city, now everybody knows how smart it has become. So it is not only contempt petition I am looking at. The contempt petition, it will prolong and then drag. These people has to be given instant justice. Instant. Then only these people will, sudrufy. ते जाणाय कितें वर सकल जालें, डिले जालें, life goes on. So I have been always saying this, we need to make one example of these people here. I remember आमगे शेतांनी एक कावडे बिवडे हापाळताले भात. ते कावडे येना जावपाक शेता मुरे एक बडी एक कावड लायताले मेलोलो. तो मेलो कावड चल म्हणून दुसरे कावडे येना आहले. So like that we have to set an example of one of these people, top people. Then only think that fear will come into their minds. Otherwise this thing goes on and on here. May God bless them.
The General Secretary of National Fisher Workers Forum, Olancio Simoes, highlighted the dreadful plight of Sri Lanka's fisher folks who have left their profession and have become labourers. He added that soon Goa will face such decline of fishing resources if rules are not followed properly. He urged the government to immediately work towards protecting the already depleting fishing stocks in our country by bringing new legislation so that the fishermen's livelihoods will be protected in the years to come.
And जेन्ना आमी फिशरमॅना कडेन एक ताकती जमा जाली, मीट जाली, थिंगा आमकां कळलें की हांगाय LED लायट फिशिंग चलता आनी तशेंच करून जायती डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह गियर्स यूज जाता. आनी ह्या कारणा खातीर आयज जे नुस्तेकार जे आसा, बारीक मच्छीमार जे आसा, ते आयज प्रोफेशन सोडून थोडे कामदार जाल्या, प्लंबर जाल्या, कार्पेंटर जाल्या. अशें करून श्रीलंकाची फिशरीज जी फिशिंग धंदो जो आसा तो आयज काबार जाता. आयज डीप सी हिंगा फिशिंग चलता. डीप सी फिशिंगानूय आयज नुस्तें ना. पूण हेजेर सिद्ध जाता की आमकां गोंयान जे कायदो आमी घडलेलो 2016 आनी सबसिक्वेंटली 2017 तो कायदो जो LED लायट बॅन जे आसा ते आजून पासून गोंयान जावना. आनी फाटले सीजन पळयलें जाल्यार हे LED लायट फूल स्विंग आजून पासून चलता इवन आफ्टर द कोर्ट डिरेक्शन. पूण आमी सरकाराक मागता की हे LED लायट फिशिंग जे आसा बंद करपाक जाय. कित्याक हे आमी श्रीलंका नाल्यार दुसरी कंट्री भशेन जावपाक नाका. हे जे नुस्तें प्रोटेक्ट करपाक हे सगळ्याचेर इंट्रस्टेड आहा. बोटकार आसूं या बारीक मच्छीमार आसूं. सो हांव मागता जशें करून आमचो WFFP जनरल सेक्रेटरीन मागला की LED लायट फिशिंग बंद करचें म्हणून.
I am working with small scale fisher people in the country, and we are facing serious threat to displacement, loss of damage, dispossession of the resources, destruction of the environment through these light Percy nets, the lead used lights and everything. It destroy our waters, destroy our livelihoods, because small people grab that resource and destroy our resources for other people. In that, small scale people are sufferers. So in that we say, Indian government, very particularly the Goa government and others, should be immediately ban this sun, which will be a similar effect for Indian fishermen, Goa fishermen, and overall small scale fishers in India because of this threat.
In Hawaii, we build these sanctuaries or areas of no fish or ban at certain times of the year so that we can continue to multiply the stock and have more fish for our families and our communities. We also do watch and observe and do observations and the data collection so that we can better understand what the fisheries or what the fish is doing, what the seaweed is doing, and understand what the coral is doing, and better understand when and where we can fish and shouldn't fish, because sometimes the mating seasons is not a good time. The hatching seasons, we don't fish certain fish in different seasons, and so those are the things that really help build our stock.
A huge mango tree collapsed at Sukalwada, Korgaon, damaging 2 houses. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. The residents called the fire and emergency service and cleared the area in time.
At Sukalwada, Korgaon, a huge mango tree collapsed on 2 houses. As per the residents, due to the gusty winds, the tree fell on top of their house. The loss is estimated around 1 lakh. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. Upon getting a distress, the firefighters quickly reached the spot and cleared the fall tree. The residents have demanded the government to compensate for their loss.
म्हाका सांग कितलेशे डॅमेज जाले आसतले आता म्हणजे तुमचे जे नळे आणि कितें कितें कितले जाले आसतले डॅमेज हय न्हू ओके ओके आता तुम्ही कशे रावतात का मागीर दुसरे सायडीन बीन रावता ओके मागीर रातभर तुमकां पावस बीन पाणी सगळं खाला आयले तर हां हां ओके ते झाड आसले पळय कितले वर्साचे आशिल्ले अंदाज खूप वर्सां
11 वरांक पडला
खूप डॅमेज जाले
हय हय घराचें हें गेलां आनी आमचे दोनूय घरांचें गेलां आनी सोबून हें गेलें पाकडी कशी सोबून पोपटी
ओके
पात्र्याची
तेन्ना पावस बी कितें आसलो
ना काय ना पावस मिस काय ना वारे मेरे
Concerns have raised as garbage littered by the roadside in Arambol is going unattended, despite there being a provision for imposing a fine of ₹25,000 by the garbage committee of the Arambol Panchayat. Dumping in open space along the roadside have increased significantly.
In a concerning matter, the rise of garbage dumping on the roadside taking place in the Arambol village have sparked concerns amongst the villagers. Being a touristic village, Arambol generates 1.5 tons of garbage per day. With no proper garbage management, garbage can be seen piled along the roadside, in water bodies and dumped clandestinely in cultivated fields. The authorities have pointed their fingers towards the shacks and hotels, claiming that they are the major contributors to the issue.
The poor quality roads constructed at Bagaveli has sparked concerns among the locals as the roads have become a threat to human life. With no proper roads patching and sinkholes highlights the authorities' failure into addressing the situation.
Commuters and locals of Bagavelim have raised serious concerns with regards to the haphazard works done on the roads. The roads have collapsed, exposing a sinkhole, but the authorities have handled the situation by placing a dry coconut palm leaf. The patching of the road is done in a shoddy manner. This has posed a threat to human life. Accident can easily take place on such roads.
Kurtori Gymkhana blanked UBD Kolva 4-0 to enter into the quarterfinals of the 13th Benaulim Panchayat Cup 2024, organized by United Club of Benaulim and played at Dando Football Ground, Benaulim on Tuesday. Kurtori Gymkhana dominated from the word go and scored the first goal by Anselm Fernandes, assist by Milagros Fernandes, with powerful shoot from the box in the 11th minute of the game, while Vicky Cardozo missed 2 level terms for Kolva. Meanwhile, Kurtori Gymkhana increased their tally by Alistair Fernandes beating defence and goalkeeper, and at a half-time score remained 2-0 in favour of Kurtori. Changing over Kolva's Kabir Khan power-packed shot missed the target. Jocelyn Fernandes of Kurtori Gymkhana scored the third goal, and in dying minutes, Alistair Fernandez completed his brace for Kurturi. Savio Fernandez, president of Kurturi Gymkhana, presented man of the match to Alistair Fernandez of Kurturi Gymkhana.
Terao 13th Kana Benavli Panchayat Cup Inter-Village Football Tournament 2024 organized with the United Club Benavli. Wangos Tournament आमच्या स्पॉन्सर केला जातो विलेज पंचायत काना बेनावली आम्ही आमचे सरपंच डेप्युटी सरपंच आणि सगळे पंचायत मेंबरांक कालगंतान चोडान चोड ते बरे करून म्हणटात जिखणारा कॅश प्राइज 50,000 रुपया आणि ट्रॉफी हारवतेल्यांक कॅश प्राइज 40,000 रुपया आणि ट्रॉफी. आमकां आनीकूय अशें डोनेशनां पावलें आसा ते बरें आखेर टोर्नामेंट वॉटर स्पोर्ट्स क्लब वार्का ताका आमी काल जाणटा चड चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
That's all we have in today's newscast. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.